No, I'm in it. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Good evening. Welcome to my kitchen. So you guys, I want to prepare afang soup. Afang soup is actually my language soup, but my husband loves afang soup a whole lot. So that's why you see me always like make my local dishes for him. So I want to use this chicken. I think one of it, I don't know, depending, because this one look big. If I cut it and it's big, I'm not going to add, but if I cut it and it's looking small, I'll add up. So one whole chicken, and then I have other stuff that I want to use for this cooking, guys, not just the chicken. But for this one, let me turn to a butcher right now and just butcher this chicken. Okay. Since my husband cha-cha chicken for me, I've actually turned to a butcher. So if I want to prepare the chicken, I'll then have to butcher it myself. Beverly, who is calling me? Bring it. Beverly.
Lately you don't feel like yourself, you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. 'Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I was so caught up thinking about myself, now I took time to listen.
You guys, I don't done butcher. I'm done butchering the chicken. So here, and I actually soaked my stockfish inside hot water. The last time I actually used stockfish, the thing didn't get soft. Like even when I put it inside the freezer, it didn't get soft. So that's why I'm like, this time I'm going to make sure it is soft. Okay, so that's my stockfish. Now another thing I have to be washing very properly is my momo. And I also got small cow meat to add up to it. Just give it that taste, that flavor of cow meat. But this chicken, I'm gonna fry it very, very dry. And you guys, I also have my my dry fish, which I'm going to be using. Big one. I have another big one inside here, very big. So I'm going to be using one of this big one and this, like two of this. Is so huge, you guys, right? So that's what I'm going to be using. So here are all my proteins, my mama, my goat meat, my stockfish, and my chicken, and then this fish. Literally, okay? And that'll be enough and okay for this cooking. You guys, my waist need to allow me to stand for so long. For long, not even so long. My waist need to allow me to stand for even a whole two full minutes. I can't stand. I don't know, my waist is spinning me this particular baby just sitting on my waist. So I'm actually parboiling the chicken already because I'm going to be frying that chicken. I don't want to have one soft meat inside my pot that will be catching up and down. So I'm going to be frying it very, very dry. I'm just washing this thing now. The goat meat, so I can add it up with the chicken. That yeah, I have gas here in this bigger gas, and I have gas here in this smaller gas. But this smaller gas used to be very, very fast. So most of the time I want to hurry up, I just use this small gas to just make things fast. So that's why I'm using it. When I want to cook like the main soup, I'm going to put it on this bigger one, and then I'll just go to the parlor and sit down. I like separating my stockfish. Let it be small in the soup, you know. Since it's not meat, you know, or fish, like normal fish. Do you understand? I like it to be everywhere in my soup. Stockfish just small, that's just how I like it, so that the stockfish should just be everywhere in the soup. I need to go and get my ring light because it's getting dark. Yeah, I need to wash this more, like sit down and wash it. And also the fish, I'm going to be putting it later, since of course it's still going to be boiling, so I'm going to be putting it later, but I don't want it to be scattered.
Didn't see that you were going through hell, cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Feed me those signs, but they lost the meaning. I know something isn't right, see the demons in your eyes. I know you're afraid. I feel you getting lost, feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. This thing slows, coming on.
So you guys, I need to fry the chicken. fry the chicken very, very dry because I don't want it to scatter. The other Italian soup I did, I fried my chicken very dry. You know, up until now, the soup is still in the freezer. It has actually not like scattered, yeah. So everything is intact and in place. So I've actually washed my what is this? What is this? Memory. Ganda. Gomo. Yeah, it's time to wash my fish so I can put inside that stock. My chicken, now they go on. I was trying to put Venice to sleep. I don't want to chicken with this particular gas again. Now I have to go back to my standing gas. So I have my mfi here, periwinkle. Look at it. See, there's no way you're going to in a carbon house that you want to cook a fan without mfi. No, that is not good. So I have to parboil the mfi first of all, so I could remove all of those black water, so I can know at least my oil will catch my soup. Okay, but for the meantime, I think I'm going to be putting this is like stock, and then I'm going to be putting in the chicken and this is my stock, and this one is my pomo. Come closer. So I actually made sure that I put a little more water in the stock. Okay, so it could help me boil this meat again. Hi, Nepa. They don't take the lights. So you guys, I'm putting my mfi now, and after the mfi, then I'm actually putting my fish. I have my memory is skipping. Yes, my baby. So now I should transfer my soup here. I'm going to be parboiling this, and then putting my red oil. My soup is going to be so rich, you know. Yes, baby. Come and see my fork. So I'm going to allow it boil before concentrate. I'm going to allow it boil, okay? And you guys, I forgot I didn't put crayfish in my soup. So I have to put some crayfish. I put it problem. And then I also put in pepper. You say no green boil quick for on top the other gas. I don't transfer and put for my small gas. I beg. I don't get time. No time to wait. Man, the flavor of this pepper is everything. Alright, I'll be back. So you guys, I'm actually putting water with. I'm cooking a big pot of soup so I can have it stored in my freezer.
Hi guys, my name is Okon Jesus.
That thing young boss, okay, make it. See you guys, the reason why I love cooking big pot of soup like this is so that this pot of soup is almost 40,000 naira as you're seeing it so. It's so that I won't have to be cooking every day because I don't have the strength to stand. So I prefer cooking my soup like this. So whoever will come and be talking rubbish, I'm showing big pot of soup. Go and show it to cook big pot of soup. And then show your own. I'm showing my own. This is my life. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna let it cook a little. I wish my husband did that. If only if allow me to turn this thing. That's why I like that's why I love that guy. You know, allow me to turn this thing. You know, collect it and turn it for me. All these Calabar men, they know how to take care of woman. This my boy. He knows how to take care of woman. Mama, say hi guys. Your ID. You. Hey, ID. Hey, ID. Anyway, I need to get oil and put more oil. Okay? I'll be right back to show you my finished results.